Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this top flap card with the Hues of Happiness suite. Right, here's my second Hues of Happiness card. This is a front or top flap card, and I've got these fun little magnets that hold it in place for me. The magnets I got on Amazon from Basic Gray, Grey, and they have small and they have large, and often they go out of stock and then another supplier sells them. So I'll put a link to these on Amazon, but just know that the link may change over time. Okay, so to start, I have some Flirty Flamingo 4 1/4 by 11, and we're gonna flip it upside down. So we're gonna put some of this lovely paper on the front here from the Hues of Happiness Designer Series paper, which is part of this suite. I'm gonna go this way. And then inside the card, I have a fun stamped sentiment piece. So I'm gonna show you that. So I started with a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of cardstock, and I'm using Flirty Flamingo and Granny Apple Green. And I'm gonna do some masking. So I'm gonna start with the larger flower, just down in the corner here. And then I'm gonna add this smaller flower up here and over here. Then I have some masks that I created using this Post-it note tape. It's only 1 inch long or tall, so I had to use a couple strips. But in the new Stampin' Up catalog, they have 5 by 7 masking paper, which is going to be fabulous because then you can stamp larger pieces without having to use several pieces like I am here. I'm just kind of using this as well. And so now I'm gonna stamp my leaves, and it's pretty cool because it looks like they're behind. I've got everything masked off. And then I'm just going to show you how I do a mask over here. So this time I'm gonna go like this, and then do it one more time because I need to, whoops, completely cover it. Go like that. And then I'm going to stamp the image. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it out. So this is like a low tack, it's like a Post-it note. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this out. It does not need to be perfect by any means. You just want to create something to place on top of your image to protect your image while you are stamping on your image. Okay, and it doesn't even have to be like the whole flower. You see how I just cut out the one side that I'll be stamping next to? So just gonna stamp a leaf going out like that. Okay, and so now I'm going to use some sponge daubers. This is a super easy way to color your line images. And I'm just going to rub some color on there. Okay. And I have some pieces to color as well. So I have a couple pieces to color here as well. So I'm just gonna, while I got the green out, I'm gonna color these. Okay. And then we're going to color the Flirty Flamingo. So I'm gonna remove all of these pieces here. Isn't that cool when you remove them? Looks like they're underneath, huh? Okay, so Flirty Flamingo. So just ink that up and then softly go over your flower. Then you can add some shadows, some darker areas. Just start softly first. Okay, so now I'm going to color in this large flower with the sponge dauber. I'm gonna add it a little bit darker in the middle. Okay, and then we're gonna do Melon Mambo. I've already got some on here. A little bit goes a long way here, so make sure you start light, and then you can add in darker if you want it to be darker. Okay, so there's our Melon Mambo. All right, so now we can stamp our sentiment on here. Wishing you all the happiness you can imagine. And now we can put that on the inside of our card. And now I've created a flap out of thick Whisper White cardstock that measures about 3 by 4 1/4. And I've scored it at 1/2. And I'm just gonna attach this to the back of the card. That. And then I can do a little trimming because it doesn't quite match up. That's better. And then we're gonna add all of these dimensionals. So we're gonna put this one right about here. And then we'll have this one up here. And this one over here. And that one right there. This one down here. And this one over here. And then we can add some of the polished or the glossy dots. So we'll do this one here. And we'll do that one, stuck to my finger. And that one. And there, oh, no, the most important part, we gotta do the magnets. So we're gonna pop out a negative magnet and a positive magnet. And these are gonna go together. And then I'm gonna remove the backing off the adhesive. That's what's really nice about these. And then these are stuck together, you see. And then I'll remove the backing on the negative piece and I will just fold it down. And that creates our flap. And then you can open the card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Hues of Happiness or Flower Fun Fold Cards kit. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on this fun fold flower card. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and comment on my video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.